Welcome to our channel. Today, we're shedding light on black box testing, a fundamental software testing technique that focuses on validating the functionality and behavior of a software application without knowledge of its internal structure. Join us as we explore what black box testing entails, its significance in ensuring software quality, and best practices for effective implementation. Let's dive in. Introduction to black box testing. Definition: black box testing verifies the functionality of a software application without considering its internal code structure, logic, or implementation details. Purpose: it focuses on validating the application's inputs, outputs, and interactions with external interfaces from a user's perspective. Types of black box testing. Functional testing tests the functionality of the software against specified requirements. Non-functional testing evaluates aspects such as performance, usability, and security without knowledge of the internal workings. Regression testing ensures that new changes do not adversely affect existing functionalities. Objectives of black box testing: validate functionality, confirm that the software performs as expected and meets user requirements. Identify defects, detect errors or deviations from expected behavior without knowledge of the internal code. Ensure user satisfaction, validate that the software meets user expectations in terms of functionality, usability, and performance. Best practices for black box testing. Define clear test objectives and acceptance criteria based on user requirements. Develop comprehensive test scenarios covering all possible inputs, outputs, and user interactions. Utilize equivalence partitioning and boundary value analysis techniques to identify test cases efficiently. Incorporate exploratory testing to uncover unexpected behavior and edge cases. Collaborate closely with stakeholders to prioritize and address critical issues identified during testing. Black box testing process. Test planning: define test objectives, scope, and test scenarios. Test design: develop test cases and test data based on functional requirements. Test execution: execute test cases and record test results. Defect tracking: document and prioritize defects for resolution. Test reporting: generate test reports summarizing test results and findings. Challenges in black box testing. Lack of visibility: inability to see the internal code or logic can make it challenging to identify root causes of defects. Test coverage: ensuring comprehensive test coverage without knowledge of the internal workings can be challenging. Test data management: generating and managing test data for various test scenarios without access to internal databases. Conclusion: black box testing is a crucial technique for validating software functionality, usability, and performance from an end-user perspective. By following best practices and adopting efficient testing methodologies, organizations can ensure that their software meets user expectations and delivers a high-quality user experience. Stay tuned for more insights into software testing techniques and best practices. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.